Hello, food lovers! Ready to whip up a storm in the kitchen? Today, we're diving into a dish fit for royalty. Well, maybe not royalty, but it's definitely going to make you feel like a king or queen. Get ready for a 10-minute teriyaki chicken and rice extravaganza that'll have your taste buds singing. This ain't your average takeaway. No, sir. This is fresh, flavorful, and faster than you can say extra soy sauce. We're talking tender chicken, fluffy jasmine rice, and a vibrant teriyaki sauce that'll have you licking the plate clean. So loosen your belts, grab your aprons, and let's get cooking. Now, before we embark on this culinary adventure, let's gather our trusty ingredients. This is the foundation of any great dish, and having everything ready will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Fear not, this isn't some complicated recipe with ingredients you can't pronounce. We're keeping it simple and straightforward, so you can focus on the joy of cooking rather than the stress of finding exotic items. This is good, honest food that's easy to find and even easier to cook. You don't need to be a gourmet chef to create something delicious and satisfying. With just a few basic ingredients, you can whip up a meal that will impress your family and friends. First up, we need our star of the show, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. About a pound will do. Chicken thighs are incredibly versatile and flavorful, making them a perfect choice for this dish. They stay juicy and tender even if you accidentally overcook them a bit. Plus, they're a great source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Then we've got our trusty sidekick, a cup of jasmine rice. Jasmine rice is known for its fragrant aroma and slightly sticky texture, which pairs beautifully with the teriyaki sauce. It's a staple in many Asian cuisines and adds a wonderful base to our meal. Rice provides a good source of energy and is easy to digest. And of course, no teriyaki dish is complete without the magic touch, a good quality teriyaki sauce. This sauce is the heart of our dish, providing that sweet and savory flavor that makes teriyaki so beloved. You can find it in most grocery stores or even make your own if you're feeling adventurous. To add a bit of crunch and color, we'll be using a medley of frozen vegetables. Broccoli, carrots, and snap peas are my favorites. Frozen vegetables are a convenient and nutritious option, as they're often picked and frozen at their peak freshness. Plus, they save you the time and effort of chopping and prepping. Vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for a healthy diet. And for a final flourish, some chopped green onions to garnish. Simple, right? Green onions add a fresh, slightly sharp flavor that complements the richness of the teriyaki sauce and the savory chicken. They also add a pop of color, making your dish look as good as it tastes. Green onions are rich in antioxidants and can help boost your immune system. So, there you have it, our culinary arsenal. With these ingredients at your disposal, you're well on your way to creating a delicious and nutritious teriyaki chicken dish. Remember, the key to great cooking is not just the ingredients, but also the love and care you put into preparing them. Take your time to enjoy the process. Cooking can be a meditative experience, a chance to slow down and savor each step. From chopping the vegetables to stirring the sauce, every action is a part of the journey to a wonderful meal. And the best part, sharing the fruits of your labor with loved ones. There's something incredibly rewarding about seeing the smiles on their faces as they take that first bite. It's a reminder that food is not just about sustenance, but also about connection and joy. Before we dive into the cooking process, let's take a moment to appreciate the origins of this delightful dish. Chicken teriyaki is a popular Japanese dish that originated in Japan. The word teriyaki refers to a cooking method where foods are broiled or grilled with a glaze of soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Rice, a staple in Japanese cuisine, has been cultivated in Japan for over 2,000 years and is an essential part of the Japanese diet, so let's get started. With our ingredients gathered and our spirits high, we are ready to dive into the world of teriyaki chicken. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll walk you through the cooking process step by step. Happy cooking. Happy. Right then, let's get down to business. Grab yourself a large skillet or wok and crank up the heat to medium-high. Drizzle in a bit of olive oil, just enough to coat the bottom. Now carefully lay those chicken thighs in the pan. Listen to that sizzle. Music to a chef's ears, that is. The key here is to get a nice golden brown on each side of the chicken. No need to cook it all the way through just yet. We'll be giving it a proper bath in our teriyaki sauce later. This browning process should take about 3 minutes per side. While the chicken is working its magic, let's move on to our aromatic jasmine rice. Section 4. Jasmine rice, a symphony of fragrance and flavor. Jasmine rice, my friends, is a thing of beauty. Its long, slender grains are not just visually appealing, but also a delight to the senses. When you cook it, the grains become soft and slightly sticky, making it perfect for a variety of dishes. It's got this wonderful aroma that fills the kitchen and makes your tummy rumble in anticipation. The scent is almost floral, reminiscent of a blooming jasmine flower, which is how it got its name. And the best part, it's dead easy to cook. You don't need to be a master chef to get it right. Even if you're a beginner in the kitchen, you can make perfect jasmine rice with just a few simple steps. Grab a saucepan and add a cup of rice and 2 cups of water. The ratio is crucial here. It ensures that the rice cooks evenly and absorbs the right amount of water. Bring it to a boil, then cover the pan with a lid, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This gentle simmering allows the rice to cook slowly and absorb all the water, making it tender and flavorful. Now, here's a little chef's secret. Once the rice is cooked, let it sit for about 5 minutes with the lid on. This resting period is essential. Once the rice is cooked, let it sit for about 5 minutes with the lid on. This allows the steam to do its thing and ensures perfectly fluffy rice every time. The steam continues to cook the rice gently, making each grain plump and separate. This allows the steam to do its thing and ensures perfectly fluffy rice every time. The steam is like a magic touch, transforming the rice into a fluffy, cloud-like texture that is simply irresistible. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for it. The first bite of perfectly cooked jasmine rice is an experience in itself. The texture is soft yet slightly chewy, and the flavor is subtly sweet with a hint of nuttiness. It's the perfect canvas for a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to curries to simple rice bowls. Jasmine rice is incredibly versatile. You can pair it with spicy dishes to balance the heat, or with savory dishes to complement the flavors. It's also great in desserts like rice pudding, where its natural sweetness shines through. It's a staple in many households around the world, and for good reason. It's not just a side dish, it's a key player in creating memorable meals. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for a family gathering, jasmine rice is sure to impress. The quality of jasmine rice is also something to note. When you choose high-quality jasmine rice, you're getting grains that are carefully selected and processed to ensure the best flavor and texture. It's worth investing in good rice because it makes a noticeable difference in your dishes. There are also different methods to cook jasmine rice depending on your preference. You can use a rice cooker for convenience or a traditional pot on the stove for a more hands-on approach. Some even use a microwave for a quick fix. Each method has its own charm and can yield delicious results. You can also get creative with jasmine rice by adding herbs and spices during the cooking process. A pinch of saffron, a few cardamom pods, or a stick of cinnamon can elevate the flavor profile and make your jasmine rice even more special. Serve it with a variety of accompaniments and you have a feast on your hands. From grilled meats to roasted vegetables, jasmine rice complements a wide range of dishes and brings them together in a harmonious symphony of flavors. So next time you're planning a meal, consider making jasmine rice the star of the show. Its fragrance, flavor, and versatility make it a truly remarkable ingredient that can transform any meal into a culinary masterpiece. Section 5. The Teriyaki Tango, a delicious mélange. Welcome to this delightful journey where we blend flavors and textures to create a dish that is both visually stunning and incredibly tasty. Today we are diving into the world of teriyaki, a Japanese culinary marvel that has won hearts worldwide. All right, our chicken should be nicely browned by now. The sizzling sound you hear is the chicken thighs caramelizing, creating a beautiful golden crust that will add depth to our dish. It's time to introduce it to our star player, the teriyaki sauce. This sauce is a harmonious blend of soy sauce, mirin, sake and sugar, creating a perfect balance of sweet and savory. Pour in about half a cup of your favorite teriyaki sauce, making sure to coat the chicken evenly. As the sauce hits the hot pan, it will start to thicken and cling to the chicken, infusing it with its rich flavors. Now, remember those frozen veggies we talked about? They are not just a convenient addition, but also a colorful and nutritious one. Toss them in the pan as well. The vegetables will not only add a burst of color, but also a variety of textures that will make each bite interesting. Give everything a good stir, ensuring the chicken and veggies are well acquainted with that delicious teriyaki goodness. The sauce will continue to thicken, coating every piece with its glossy, flavorful embrace. Reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. This gentle simmering will allow the flavors to meld together beautifully. While that's bubbling away, let's get our plates ready for this culinary masterpiece. Think about how you want to present your dish. A simple garnish of sesame seeds or chopped green onions can elevate the presentation and add a final touch of flavor. Sprinkling a handful of sesame seeds over the top not only adds a lovely crunch, but also enhances the visual appeal of the dish. Chopped green onions bring a fresh, vibrant note that complements the rich teriyaki sauce perfectly. Serve your teriyaki chicken and veggies with a side of steamed rice. The rice will soak up any extra sauce, making sure none of that delicious flavor goes to waste. As you take your first bite, notice how the tender chicken, crisp vegetables and savory sweet teriyaki sauce come together in perfect harmony. Each mouthful is a delightful dance of flavors and textures. This dish is not just about the food, it's about the experience. Sharing a meal like this with family or friends makes it even more special. The joy of cooking and eating together is what makes these moments memorable. And there you have it, a delicious mélange that is sure to impress. Whether you're cooking for a special occasion or just a weeknight dinner, this teriyaki chicken and vegetable dish is a winner every time. After enjoying your meal, don't forget to clean up. A tidy kitchen is a happy kitchen, and it makes the next cooking adventure even more enjoyable. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. We hope you enjoyed making and tasting this delicious teriyaki chicken and vegetable dish. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you for watching this video on Bistegs TV. We hope you enjoyed our quick and easy teriyaki chicken and rice recipe. If you liked this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and exciting content. Have a great day. Before we go, let's take a moment to appreciate the magic we've created in the kitchen today. Cooking is more than just a series of steps. It's an art form, a way to express love, and a bridge that brings us closer to those we care about. Every dish tells a story, and today our teriyaki chicken and rice has told a tale of tradition, innovation, and togetherness. Remember, the kitchen is a place of endless possibilities and boundless creativity. So don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to make every meal a memorable experience. We at Bistegs TV are thrilled to be part of your culinary journey. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more mouth-watering recipes and inspiring content with you. Until next time, keep cooking, keep sharing, and keep the joy of food alive in your hearts. Thank you, and have a great day.